Hello guys, Kevin here, and today we are going to do some C# tutorial in Visual Studio 2019. First, in this window, you can see some different things. Here, these are your project, and you can open a project or create new project. Open a project or solution, clone or checkout, and we want to create a new project and create a program that prints for us a hello world in console application. Here I want to create a new project. Create a new project. While you're installing your Visual Studio, you also need to install .NET Core package or .NET Framework package. You need to install one of them. Now, I want to search C# console app. You can see the first two suggestions: console app .NET Core or console app .NET Framework. Both of them are okay. You can do C# programming with both of them, and there is no difference between them. You can search your language or your platform, or you can search from here: C#, Windows, and console. Here, .NET Core, .NET Framework. Both of them are okay. And I prefer using .NET Framework. And I select it and hit next. In this window, you can see project name, location, solution name, and framework. Project name, whatever you choose, you decided. And the location, you also choose the location of your program. But I want to let it be default. And framework, you can choose between these frameworks, and I choose the latest one. Now I wanna create a project with the name of test, and we hit create. Oh, we have test 1 also, test 2. Create. Okay, in this window, you can see a lot of things: file, edit, view, project, build, debug, test, and some other else. And by default, it has written some codes, and we don't want to change them. We let it be. We will also talk about them later. You can also see namespace, our program name, class program, static void main, string arts. Our codes will come here. We want to create a program that print us a hello world. We use console.writeLine command. Here it writes nothing, it prints nothing. And if we want to print hello world, it needs to be between two quotation marks. Here I put one quotation and two quotation. Hello world. Space is also known as character in between two quotations. I mean hello space world or hello world. These are different. You also can do something else like this one, hello plus word, and there is no space between them. You can put space to separate them. You also can do this with here. And it works. There is no issue with that. But I prefer this one. And we created our program. Let's start it. And the program opens, do the work, and it immediately closes. Before that, I want to mention that there is no issue with the program itself. It is completely right. We have to write console.read key. We also can use readline, but I will talk about that later. We use read key command to prevent not having that issue. And we are starting hello world. This code makes computer wait for us until we hit any button. I mean, I hit enter here and the program closed. We start it again. Hello world, enter, and it closed. And let me comment this. It opens and immediately closes. And that's it for this video, guys. We built our first project successfully. And thank you guys for watching this video, and hope you enjoyed that video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you find that helpful. Hope you have an awesome day, and peace out.